Sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. If you want to know how to make this beautiful baby pink lip gloss, then keep on watching. So to begin, we're going to start making our lip gloss base, and since I've already done this in previous videos, I'm going to speed through this part. The only difference in this video than the others is I did not use almond oil. One of my customers informed me that they are allergic to nuts and they have a nut allergy, so I'm going to stop using almond oil. So instead, I'm going to do 3 tablespoons of vitamin E oil and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil for a total of 6 tablespoons of oil. So now I'm going to take my Yummy Pink Lip Liquid from TKB Trading, and I'm going to add 3 drops to my lip gloss base. So now I'm going to take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill my tubes. is a perfect swatch of our Bubblegum Pink lip gloss. Now, after doing all of that touching to our gloss, we want to definitely make sure that we give them a gloss bath, which includes soap and water. Definitely make sure you give your gloss a nice thorough mix, and I usually like to leave my glosses in this bath for 24 hours, but that's definitely optional and you do not have to do it. Now I'm going to take the time to dry my tubes and add my beautiful labels. And there you have it. That's how you make Bubblegum Pink lip gloss. Nice, simple, and easy. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As always, it was a pleasure teaching you all. And don't forget to support your local small business. And have a blessed day.